find the right balance between sustainable energy and all the other things that are going on, whether it's soil, agriculture, aesthetics. So a lot of the legislative efforts right now are really trying to figure out that balance. When we first started planning this project, this would have been the largest project east of the Mississippi. But that shows you how much the market has changed since then. So now there are quite a few megawatt plus projects underway. So again, this is about 2.6 acres. This is a rough number. With this particular product, we can get around 250 kilowatts per acre. So that's somewhere between 4 and 5 acres a megawatt. So Duke was, as part of their very holistic master plan, has thought a lot of these things out. Not all customers do that. Most of our ground array customers, they just go with whatever's there. There's no replanting. So this is a relatively shallow, very, very strong, very site-specific foundation method, and you can see there's minimal disturbance. It's literally a couple of square inches for this 3-inch pipe. We went through a whole soil conservation review, and the state's review was that we didn't need to do anything for remediation of soil impact on this site, which, to be honest, is unusual. So this is a very large construction project that had very, very minimal impact on the local soil. And then our crews come through and put the horizontals in. This is commodity galvanized steel pipe. And then we start assembling the panels. So our crews assemble each of these kind of vertical subarrays individually. For this subarray and the next one will all get streamed down this pipe. That's what this is here for. This is a raceway, actually, and part of this array, I guess, is coming over. And all those strings will get combined and built into this combiner box. So coming out of here will be a single set of bigger wires that now contain all of the DC power for these 3 arrays. The secret to solar is not the panels. The secret to solar is the inverter. That's what's really changed in the last 5 years that made solar take off in the US and most of the world. What happens in reality most of the time is either some of that power is feeding back into the grid, or the buildings are using more power than it's producing, and you're mixing both power from the solar array and some from the grid to serve the building's needs. We do a huge amount of testing on a system like this. It's great in the context of the broader sustainability program that Duke is putting in place here. We're looking forward to a lot of people seeing this and making real for people that you really can do sustainability. Technically, it's possible. There's a lot of things that have to be done to make it common, and that's the work that's underway, I think. So this will be a real positive, tangible proof point that we can really make this stuff work. And our goal is to bring as many people as we can.